Hi, today's card is in fact 3 cards. They're all very similar but they have slight differences. And you might think to yourself that I've been busy with my paintbrushes, but in actual fact I haven't. I've cheated. This is actually a print and cut. I didn't cheat too much in that I have designed this from scratch. So instead of being watercoloured, this is actually done on concepts on my iPad. So it looks like it's watercoloured, but it's not. So this one has got some little silver splashes on it. I don't know if you can see those very well from the camera. And I did that with some Liquitex silver acrylic ink. And it's just a case of dipping a small brush in the ink and then tapping the brush over the card, and you get random dots. So the sentiment is a simple happy birthday, and it's small because I want the focus to be on the flowers in the middle of the card rather than the sentiment. And this was done on the silver bullet just with a silver pen on some pink card. And if you don't have the ability to do that, you can stamp a sentiment, you can heat emboss a sentiment, or you can handwrite a sentiment. So you don't have to be able to do it. And so that one is pretty simple. The next one I'm going to show you has a slightly different effect. And again, I'm not sure if the camera's going to pick this up. Hopefully it will. But I have used some acrylic gloss varnish to add some water effects, so the little droplets on here, and it looks almost like dewdrops or raindrops, just to be a little bit different. And this one is actually printed on photographic paper as well, whereas this one is printed on a straightforward white card. So that's the difference between that and photographic paper. Okay, and the last one is for Valentine's Day, so it has a sentiment which is a little different. All you need is love, and there's a little crystal heart on the sentiment bar as well. Now I've chosen small sentiment bars to make sure that nothing detracts from the flowers, but I think they're very pretty cards. I hope you'll enjoy those. So please give me a thumbs up if you like them. Please subscribe if you haven't. Share with your friends, and I'll see you again soon. Take care now. Bye bye.